So going down is also very, very challenging because you have to balance. You are sliding down technically. You have to balance because the ice is melting and soil is muddy. So good morning. This is the last day. We just woke up at 2:30 at Shipton's camp, and I'm feeling better. Last evening, I had a little bit of headache, but I took some lemon water and painkillers. I don't like pain. I know it's not recommended, but I did it. I did it! So we are ready. We want to go and try to finish what we started because no one sent us, tulijituma wenyewe. So acha tumalizane. Aika2 is here and yako wapi? Uko tayari?
Hey guys, I'm good. Final day. Let's finish this.
Yes, let's do this.
Let's
Cheers. Enjoy. Twende.
Don't wanna be in love if it's not with you. Don't wanna cry that extra tear. Don't want to make mountains move. Let summer go, tell my skin to forget every little thing about you. Hear me out, come down, so that we can lay still for a while. Hand me a smile. I know we've tried too many times now. Tear my heart apart, tell the world to start acting normal. My mind feels unwell, break this awful spell.
Not yet at the top, but the views is amazing.
How are we gonna fight if we can't stand up? How are we gonna conquer this?
Baby steps. I cannot come and kill myself in Mount Kenya. I have to rest. Look at how far we have come. Finally we made it. We tried. But
You're laughing in pain.
are freezing. Yeah, we are in pain.
Literally.
I cannot feel my hands, my head. I have a little bit. What?
Nothing. I am at the top of the mountain.
And we are very happy.
But we can feel our bodies.
The views are amazing.
Awesome.
So high five.
Drove out in the desert in a coyote core.
I cannot believe how far I went and how far I have come. At some point during this climb, I felt like crying. But look how far we went, look, that is how far we
Drove
went.
out here to do
The
nothing
green
at all.
went up.
You can be anywhere you choose to be.
We went up and round until
But you're here.
there, that peak. Can you imagine? So proud of me. Hi, Katu. It's tuendelee. So yeah, we're going back to the Shipton camp and start the journey to Old Moses. I deserve an award. Is this what we call skiing or sliding?
The bodies have refused.
Yeah. The snow is so slippery, like walking down, it's headache.
The bodies
So,
have refused.
whenever you can slide, you slide.